Good day, this is Mystic CHIVICIN, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today, we are discussing a series on flyer design. This is a series on flyer design, and we've had a first video where we talked about what a flyer is all about. I'll drop the link to that video under the description of this one, and also the subsequent videos that will be coming after this one. I'll be dropping the link to the description of this video so that you can get along with everything we are discussing in this flyer design course. Today we'll be discussing on the art of flyer design. The art of flyer design. We have the art of flyer design and we have the act of flyer design. Art as in ART and act as in ACT. So we have the art and we have the act. When we talk about the art of something, we are talking about the beauty of that thing. When we talk about art, we're talking about design, the beauty of that thing. And when we talk about act, we're talking about how you do something. So the art of flyer design, talking about like the beauty of a flyer. When we talk about the act is under the beauty of that flyer, there is where you see your graphic design elements or your flyer design elements. When you now talk about the act of flyer design, you're talking about that's when you now see your flyer design principles. So when you join these two together and know them very well, you will make great flyers, because every flyer you see and admire has principles backing them. For example, when you look at this flyer, there are different elements in this flyer that makes them that made it this beautiful. There are different elements here that came together to make this art you're seeing. So when you look at this design now, you will see Mystic CHIVICIN is an element, it's a text. You see these icons here: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. These are my handles. These are our handles, Mystic CHIVICIN. Now, when you look, you see another element here, which is flyer design. It's also a text, an element. You see all these are elements. Now, when you look at the background, you see different flyers faded at the background. You see different flyers faded at the background. Now, these different flyers now, there are also elements that came together to make this great flyer that you see. So a flyer is a design that advertises a brand or an event or an idea. That's what flyer does. It advertises. So when we talk about the art of flyer design, we're talking about everything you see in that flyer is the art of that flyer. Everything you see that came together to make that flyer beautiful is what we call the art of that flyer, which are everything I showed you here. Now let's look at some designs we considered in the other video. When we look at this design, for example, there are many things that came together to make this design, which are, you see this is a logo. This is the logo of the church, which is Saint Word Assembly. This design is a program that Saint Word Assembly is hosting, which is 2 days of restorations. So when you look at this design now, you see the logo of the church, which is Saint Word Assembly. You also see this text here, 2 days of restoration. Is also one of the things that made up the art of this flyer. You see the dates here. All these are text. Now when you look at the background, you see different images at the background. You see the image of somebody worshiping, or people that are worshiping and praying. You see the image of a cross. You see different images here. You see the image of the pastor, Pastor Chuks Onyebuchi. You see the image here. All these are. You also see another image here, the image of people that are worshiping. You can see these different images. So all these things came together to form the art of this flyer. They came together to form the art of this flyer. Now let's see another flyer. Look at this flyer now. Look at the background image. Look at the images of the ministers that will be coming for broken worship. So this broken worship is also one of the things that came together to form the art of this flyer. So the art of a flyer are those things, the art are those things that came together to make that flyer beautiful. Those physical things you can see in that flyer. When we talk about art, it's something you can see. So those physical things you can see, everything you can see in that flyer, they are the art of that flyer. Look at this, you see different logos here, you see images here, all these are art. You also see text here. Now look at this flyer, the same thing here, you see different things. Now after this course, we will be dropping the practice videos to all these flyers we are using for example in this course. After this course, we'll be dropping the practice videos to them. It's a full course that you will really like, and you really love it that you're a part of it. Look at this also. Everything you're seeing here is the art of this flyer. We have the art and we have the act. Everything you're seeing here is the art of this flyer. Look at this flyer. Everything you're seeing here is the art of this flyer. So the art of a flyer are those physical things you see in a flyer that came together to make that flyer great. That is the art of every that is the art of a flyer. Look at this also. This is a birthday flyer. This is a birthday flyer. See, different things came together to make this flyer great. So that's what the art of flyer design is all about. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In fact, if you've not done that, just do that now. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on your notification button, because even in this course we still have many things to discuss. Look at everything here, we'll discuss about them in detail. So we still have many things to discuss here that I will not like you to miss. So once the notification button is turned on, any video that will drop, you'll be the first person that will be getting notified about any new video we drop. However, I will be dropping the link to other videos. Once other videos are out, we will drop the link to the description of this particular video. Thank you very much for watching this video today. If you've not subscribed, do that now and turn on the notification button. Thank you very much. This is Mystic CHIVICIN. I want to say that I love you. Thank you and God bless you.